If you want to upload videos to Threads, you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how to upload videos on Threads. First, open the Threads app. Then, you'll see a plus button. Click on that plus button. When you click it, you'll see a gallery option. Click on Gallery. From there, you can pick any video you want. For example, I'm choosing this video. After that, click the Done button. Then, if you want to add a title, you can add one here. If you want to add a hashtag, you can do that too. Click the hashtag button and type the hashtag you want to add. For example, I'm using this hashtag. After that, if you want to tag someone, just click this button, and you can tag anyone. For example, I'm tagging this person. Next, down here, you'll see an option anyone can reply and quote. This means anyone can reply to or quote this post. If you don't want that, click it and choose either profiles you follow or mentions options. Anyway, I'm setting it to anyone. I want everyone to reply and quote this post. After that, click the post button. Once you do, the video will be posted. Then, you can click your profile button, and you'll see the post there. That's how you can easily post a video on Threads. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.